Good morning, Mommy.
Good morning.
Day 1 na walang trabaho si Mama. Wala tayong work.
Kasi, nag-work si mama ko mabilis.
Good morning, Nak.
Good morning.
It's day 1 of being a full-time mom, literally jobless. Yes, I am jobless now. I left my corporate job as an HR in a government office to be a full-time mom, to grow my small business, RMT Travel and Tours, and to become a full-time content creator for my YouTube channel and Facebook page, Miss Marge Vlogs. Oo, nakakatakot kasi wala na akong stable income at bilang isang single mom, wala akong asawa na pwedeng sandalan or katuwang sa trabaho. Just me, my son, and my family. Pero na-realize ko, this is for my betterment, for my peace, and for me to finally step out of my comfort zone and grow. The past months have been some of the hardest. Heartbreak, failed business, failed investment. I even turned to gambling thinking it would solve my financial problem, but it only made them worse. May mga gabi na mag-isa lang ako sa boarding house ko sa Manila, nalulunod sa lungkot, problema at stress. Gambling became my escape, but in reality, it was destroying me. Natutunan ko, you cannot heal your pain by running away from it. And you cannot solve a problem by adding another one. Face it, learn from it, and let it make you stronger. So I decided to go back to the province to be a hands-on mom, to focus on RMT Travel and Tours, and to create meaningful, honest content for Miss Marge Vlogs. Here, I can be with my son, my family, and finally live a life with peace and purpose. Please support my small business, RMT Travel and Tours, your trusted partner for affordable and hassle-free trips. And please also support my YouTube channel and Facebook page, Miss Marge Vlogs, where I can share my journey, life lessons, and travel tips. Gusto ko lang i-share para sa kahit sinong dumadaan sa pinagdaanan ko dati. Maybe ito talaga yung kailangan mong marinig today. Kahit gaano ka pa kabagsak ngayon, you can always rise again. Your mistake don't define you, yung comeback mo ang mas mahalaga. Maniwala ka na ang delay ni God is not a denial. Minsan, yung pagkawala ng lahat is exactly what leads you to the life na talagang para sa'yo. Kaya samahan niyo ako sa series na ito, My Healing Journey and Finding My Purpose. Dahil minsan, kailangan mo munang mawalan ng lahat para makita mo kung ano ang mahalaga. This is Miss Marge, still real and still healing and slowly coming back.
Magbabayad na tayo?
Did you